Good evening, classmates and teacher Nandario. Um, in this activity, we will identify the basic concepts related to software quality based on the context and scope. In addition, we will study the different levels of maturity model established by the SPICE model under the ISO SA 5504. The standard The standard allows us to carry out an evaluation of process, let's say independent or by selection, or up for evaluation and also considers the global level of all the processes of an organization. Organization. Yeah, sorry. The standard quality process by software maturity model and characteristics of the software process evaluation model SPICE, structure of ISO ISA, fighting tools of 504, process of the software life cycle. Nice. The software material model, uh, the standard allows of carry out evaluation of process, let's say, is independently or by selection or opt for an evaluation that also considers global level of all the process of an organization. Uh, el software maturity model, the file uh, of the file level, the software maturity model. Level 1 is initial. The organization does have formal procedures for evaluation, development, and evolution of application. The comments of the main resource does not allow a capitalization of experience due to retention. Organizations often revert to poorly reactive engagement practices, such as code and test, that amplify the truth. Level 2, reproducible. The management of new processes in based of the experience stored in the similar projects. Department commented of human resource guarantees the durability of knowledge within the limit of this presence within the organization. Level 3, definitive. Project management guidelines and procedures are established to enable implementation. Uh, a training program has been implemented within the organization to ensure that users and its specialization acquire the knowledge and skills necessary to assume the roles assigned to them. Level 4, management. The organization establishes quantitative and qualitative objectives. E and level 5, optimization, continuous improvement the process in the my concept. The organization gives itself demands on the identify and measures weakness and these processes. Um, Also look out for the most effective software and energy practices, especially those where synergy enables continuous quality improvement. Uh, Characteristics of the software process evaluation model SPICE. The SPICE standard establishes requirements for process evaluation and evaluation models. intending that these requirements can be applied to any evaluation model in an organization. In general, the requirements for process assessment include process evaluation, process improvement, evaluation of the capacity and/or maturity of the process. Level 1 capacity levels. The standard established the principle of capacity B levels inherited from the CMM. Level 0, the process is complete. Level 1, the process is done. Level 2, the process is managed. Level 3, the process is established. Level 4, the process is predictable. Level 5, the process is in optimization. Level 2, process attributes. To assess the scope of a given capability level of process, the standard specifies a series of process attributes that are tied to each capability level. Level 1, process performance attribute. Level 2, performance management attribute the management of products of the activities. Level 3, process definition attributes. Process deployment attribute. Level 4, process measure attributes. Process control attribute. Level 5, process innovation attributes. Process optimization attribute. Level 3, classifications attributes. Finally, the establishment of a rating scale whose values are based on the percentage of achievement of the attributes is required. And not implements of 50%. The parity implement 15%. Why delay implement 15, 18, 19. If fully implement more than 18, 85%. The use of rating scale will allow processing to be positioned at its capacity level. The list of structure of ISO 8, the 15504. Part 1, concepts and vocabulary. Part 2, concepts and achievement. Part 2, carried out evolution guide current of evolution. As so is the list structure ISO. Finally, of the process of the software life cycle is the succession of the stages started with the software patches in the develop from moment the idea, the concept until the software is launched used. Management software engineering. Requirements analysis, design, implementation, testing, evolution. Requirement analysis and specification, deep etching into the problem from the point of view of developers and users. Specifies the information on which the software is to be developed. Design, it allows to describe how the software will satisfy the requirements. Implementation, this is where the software to the development is coded. Validation and verification, a stage where the software is tested to verify that is consistent with the definition. And finally, maintains modification to the software, products of error, adjustments, etc. Uh, um, this is all. Thank you very much. See you next time.